foodies, welcome to Foodland. This is called crispy cabbage bites, and basically some cabbage and gram flour. And you're looking for any tea time snack, this is the perfect recipe, especially when you eat chicken nuggets or veg cutlets. Just give this recipe a try, something new, something different. So let's see what are the ingredients. For this healthy cabbage bites, we need all these ingredients. Let's start with grated cabbage. This is a fresh cabbage, and just simply grated that. If you do not have grater, you can simply finely chop them. This is 2 cups of cabbage. It's almost half a cup of coriander. Add some oil, salt to taste. This is about half tablespoon of salt, couple pinches of turmeric powder, couple pinches of baking soda, sesame seeds, red chili powder as per taste, or you can also use green chilies thinly chopped, but you can definitely get this red chili powder for that beautiful color. This is carrom seeds, about 1/4 teaspoon, and some asafetida, which is Hing, almost 1/4 teaspoon. Here is a gram flour. We need a gram flour as per the need. I have taken 1.5 cups of gram flour here, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of rice flour. Alright, so simply mix everything together. Let's add cabbage, coriander. I just wanted to show you the chopper that I have. This is the chopper that I have, and it's very useful, very easy to clean and cut or chop like this thin. Really nice. So I just simply pull the knob, and such a beautiful chopper. So I recommend this. You might find it on Amazon, but I got it from my relatives, and that was a beautiful gift that from them. So I thank you for that. So anyway, so let's start adding rest of the ingredients. Turmeric, carrom seeds, asafetida, sesame seeds, red chili powder, salt. You can also add garlic and green chili if you like that taste, or you can also add cumin, coriander powder as per your flavor, basically whatever flavors you like, but I would like to make it simple. Alright, so now you are going to add gram flour. As I said, it's 1.5 cups of gram flour right now, but we might need a little more. Depends on, because the cabbage and salt, it's going to get the water in this mixture. So trying to get the dough ready here, and some 3 to 4 tablespoons of rice flour just for the crispiness. So give that a good mix here. So I have almost half a cup of gram flour left. So all in all, we added 1 cup of gram flour for this much of cabbage. Let's add some baking. Let's add a couple pinches of baking soda and almost 1 tablespoon of oil. Remember, we have not added any water because cabbage and salt mixture is going to give us that binding. Alright, so my dough was ready and I have made equal size portions just like this. Now add some oil in the strainer and basically we are going to steam them for about 10 minutes. So I have my pot of water boiling there and simply add these rolls. Keep those rolls in the strainer, just like so. Okay, just like this. And I'm going to give them a steam for about 10 minutes. As I said, I have water in this bowl and put the strainer, cover it for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is how it looks, and turn the heat off. Let it cool off for about 15 to 20 minutes. Cut them in the bite-sized pieces and deep fry them. You can shallow fry them as well, but this if you need a crispy layer, then deep frying is the perfect way to do it. So these are my crispy cabbage bites. Enjoy this with ketchup or any kind of sauce of your choice. And if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do try it at home. If you have not subscribed yet, keep subscribed yet. Do try subscribing it and check out my other recipes as well. See you next time. Thank you. Bye. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. But if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.